Take one. Today, if I quit shaking, I'm going to take up the Model T quarter-mile challenge that Scott up at Cold War Motors started. He really didn't make it a challenge. I really wish I could quit shaking. There we go. He really didn't make it a challenge, but I took it as a challenge. So we're going to try it here. I measured off with the GPS quarter mile, and it starts right about there, and it goes down around, clear down there to a driveway down to the park. I know where to let off the timer at, or the stopwatch. So I'm going to do this 2 or 3 times, and we'll take my best time. So first time you're going to ride along with me. Whoops. First time you'll ride along with me, but next time I'll try to get some pictures of it taken off and whatnot. They're pouring some concrete down there. I'm going to fall on my ass here in a minute. So, you know, all kinds of stuff to hit. We'll find out. All right, let me get you back on the car and let's try it. Okay, stopwatch is at 0. Probably can't even see it. Doesn't matter. We're clear everywhere. We're ready. 3, 2, 1, go! I can't tell if you can see it or not. There, 29.79. Okay, I screwed it up that time. We're going to start at this tree. It'll give me more room to slow down at the other end because they're doing some concrete work down there. So this is where I'll start from. Yeah, and I screwed up the timer. Didn't push the button. Well, let's try it again. Okay, that worked out pretty good. Let's see, let's walk down here. Because I want this to be fair. Right there, 29.53. Well, I lived through it, out in the heat and everything, just like I'm not supposed to be. A little bit shaky. That's some new blood pressure meds. Anyways, let's shut her down. Man, everything's hot. You'd think I'd been out hot rodding this thing. So we'll do that. A little bit of overflow on the old water. Don't see anything leaking out there. I think we'll go ahead and put this pan under and see how much we lose. I know it's not leaking out that side, but the water pump was leaking before, so we'll find out. Anyway, all right. Yeah, let's go up here where I can not have to hang on to this camera. That was fun. I'll have to go in now and look at all the footage and have to let's see, is there light in here? Do we have any light? Yeah, there we go. I have to go in and look at the footage, find out what it is. I'm thinking it's 29 something every time. I made about 4 or 5 passes. But trying to get this thing stopped before I hit the cement mixer down at the end of the road that they're running, that was a job, and shut the timer off. So I screwed it up. I screwed it up twice, and I've got 3 good runs in there to where it worked, where I coordinated everything. Grandpa got the job done 3 times. I'll tell you what, after 3 heart attacks and 64 and a half years old, if you can get it done 3 out of 4 times, yeah. So anyway, I'm all excited to go in and edit this up, and I'll see you Sunday night or Saturday night, maybe. I don't know. Haven't decided. Depends on if I go up to Runyon Avenue like a juvenile delinquent. I may do that. Next week, I'm hoping next week I'll be back with a real show, a little bit of explanation of what went on. Just know I'm okay. Thanks for all the well wishes. And I think 29.53. Yeah, I'm in the 20s. Hey, it's a win. All right, talk to you later.